Oh, okay. Uh, well, looks like this is not a good time to go on Bilge Barges. I can't tell you what's going on here because I don't know, but there is a extended delay. But getting to my point, right here is a little spot where you can put your items. Oh, oh, come on, I didn't even touch that button. I'm sorry, Jonathan. I did it again. That is a problem with this app. It puts the timeout button in the same place as the chat replay. And yeah, that happened last time. Sorry, I went to read your message and yeah, I didn't mean to do that. So we'll keep moving on. It is an interesting view of Bilge Barges you don't see very often. Obviously, they're working very, very quickly to fix, well, to whatever the issue is, to get the ride resumed. It's not broken. I hate when people say that. Is it broken? No, it's not broken. It's a complex, modern theme park attraction with many parts. And it's suspended right now for one issue. You know, I don't think I've ever seen any of these gags without water. So this is pretty cool. I don't want to say anything beyond that because I'm not a ride technician and I'm also not, spokesperson and all that stuff. All I can say for sure is that it is currently experiencing an extended delay and that they are obviously working on it. And when it comes back up, of course it'll be safe. I'd go on it. So the water is flowing here, just not, rapidly. Oh yeah. Well, the shirt that we'll look at it later. The new shirt they have, it looks like it's kind of like the equivalent of the tuxedo T-shirt, but for wait, breaking news. I'd say you saw it first on Orlando, but you probably can't see this anywhere else. So Orlando has confirmed water is resuming on Popeye and Bluto's Bilge Barges. Now I don't know if that means that they've checked off all their checklists, but that's got to be a good sign. That's just a standard recording. Oh, I didn't do it again, did I? Okay. How cool is it that I just happened to be standing here when this happened? Not planned, guys. Not planned. Yeah, I know what you meant, Jonathan. Well, yeah, obviously we have warehouses for that stuff. As I was standing here a moment ago, I heard the water come from the other side. I'm like, ooh, wait, you gotta spin around. So definitely an encouraging sign. It's gonna take a moment for it to fill up all the way. It's almost up to its regular fill though. If I could maybe it's not open yet, but looks like, I'm a little late on this, but I'm gonna save it as a highlight. But you can see now over here, it's starting to flow down into the area where all those props are floating. Well, so whatever technical issue had caused the water to stop flowing, apparently it is resolved and the water is flowing, but that's unfortunately all I could say for sure here, is because that's all I know. That's all I know for sure. But obviously a good sign that it's moving closer to being operational. Now those would be floating over there, so it's not quite filled up yet, but oh yeah. Well, I mean, that's what happens when the water moves this rapidly. Yep, see now it's already almost to the, it's almost full here. Yeah, maybe. But Brandy likes it, I think. It's only for a second. At least I think Brandy likes it. Maybe I'm wrong. You don't like my well, a lot of people go over there to look at the Velocicoaster, but I've been coming to this trail for years. Maybe we'll see him here today. We saw him on the last stream, but he was busy. All right, I'm gonna unplug. I'm gonna try to unplug this USB or this. There we go. This battery bank. Oh yeah, really? I thought that was pretty cheesy, but okay. I'll try harder or less hard or something like that. Oh, looks like the boats are being released. So this is just a ride cycle, but that's another step towards the ride reopening. Obviously, they still have to go through a checklist and, you know, all that, but so yeah, so then I choose to replace all of the audio in that segment with one of the songs from the YouTube library, and then when that renders, I'm able to monetize. But if there's 1 minute of a 3-hour stream that has a song that it identifies, I get no money, which is pretty lame. And I did follow some of the recommendations of last week for alternative apps, but unfortunately a lot of them were like website based, or they only run on a computer. So right now I still don't know of a app that will stream from my phone that will let me attach an external microphone, which would be a huge boost, especially when I have an extra person with me. So All right, so we'll move on here because I don't. Unless you guys, you want me to I don't think it was King Julian. I forget now. It was something really obscure. I don't remember what it was. Yeah, I have to go back and look. I don't know. I saw somebody walking through recently with a phone, and they were live streaming, and they had an external microphone, but I don't know what platform they were streaming to, and I didn't want to stop them and ask them because they were busy streaming, and I was working, so it didn't seem like the ideal time to ask. Nope, I have not yet. I will be doing that very shortly. You guys want to wait? Should I wait till to see when the ride goes, or just should we move on? I'm thinking move on, but for those of you watching, I'd like to ask you, you would like me to stay here for a little bit longer, or we should head out? As you can see, they are not running the platform right now. Aha! More deployment. But as you see, the main turntable is still not moving. All right, since I'm not getting a request to stay, I'm going to keep moving along here. But that was pretty cool to see live, I think.